How to make a cute gift box. Decide how much of the material you will be using for the lid and the body. Then fold. Cut. And to make the body, take the biggest piece. Glue about 2 cm on one end and form a cylinder. To make the lid, place the smallest cardstock around the cylinder you made earlier. Let it be loose and glue forming a cylinder. Put glue on the rim of the cylinder and glue it onto a piece of cardstock or foam. Do the same for the cylinder for the body. Put glue on the rim of the cylinder and glue it onto a piece of cardstock or foam. Cut around the cylinders for both the body and the lid. And cover the edges of both the body and the lid by using decorative ribbon or tape. You can make this gift box for any occasion in a variety of sizes and colors. And it literally takes only 5 minutes, so you can make tons and tons of them very quickly. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video and don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and keep on recycling. I will see you on the next video. Bye! How to make a foam pencil case. Draw the outline of your pencil box onto a piece of foam. If you don't have the box, you can also draw a rectangle using the height of your pencil as a guide. Extend the lines of the foam towards the sides. Cut to make tabs. And glue the tabs on the sides overlapping each other. Then glue the tab at the bottom. Shape the upper portion of the case. Then, cut a strip of foam to make a buckle. Glue on the buckle to the front but not the back. And then glue towards the back, overlapping the foam. Make sure that you can open and close the case. Then, decorate using foam or felt cutouts. You can also use beads to make a message. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video and don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and keep on recycling. I will see you on the next video. Bye! To make kawaii melty bows. For this craft, I will be using a ribbon that is about 2.5 cm wide. But at home, feel free to use any fabric or ribbon you want. I'll start by cutting 3 pieces of ribbon, each about 22 cm long. After cutting the 3 pieces, I'll glue them together to make a fabric swatch. This one is about 22 by 7 cm long. Fold the swatch and glue the ends towards the middle. Fold to form a bow. And glue in place. Cut a piece of ribbon that is 2.5 by 5 centimeters long. Fold in 3 to make the ribbon look thinner. Then attach it to the middle of the bow. And cut any excess. Now to the fun part. We're going to decorate using fabric, puffy, acrylic, or glass paint. Carefully create the illusion of melting ice cream at the top of your bow. Then decorate using micro beads, glitter, nail art, or whatever you want. Let your bow dry overnight. Then attach the bow to a hair clip. You can decorate using bigger beads, letter beads, heart beads, star beads, plastic gems, or whatever you want. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and keep on recycling. I'll see you on the next video. Bye! How to make a functional gumball machine. Hi! You guys asked me to make a gumball machine for your dolls, but instead I decided to put my engineering skills to work and came up with a 100% original, functional, and cute design that you can make for your dolls using smaller implements, or you can give away as a present. Start by selecting a jar and a cup that can fit together. I'll be using a salt shaker jar and a coffee cup. Cut a small popsicle stick to fit inside of the cup. Cut 6 small pieces of foam to act as separators between the cup and the stick. Attach 3 pieces of foam on each side of the stick. Apply glue to the foam pieces and attach the stick to the inside of the cup, close to the border. Then make a circle at the bottom of the cup, about half a centimeter away from the opening for the stick. The circle should be big enough for the gumballs to fit through. Cut using an X-Acto knife or scissors. Next, make a small mark on the border on the opposite side of the stick. The mark should be big enough for the rest of the popsicle stick to pass through. Cut using an X-Acto knife or scissors. Test that the popsicle stick can pass through. Make another circle mark right below the gumball lever. The circle should be big enough for gumballs to fit through. Cut using an X-Acto knife or scissors. Next, cut a second cup at a 45-degree angle. Trace the mouth of the cup onto a piece of cardboard. Cut. Then, glue in place inside of the first cup. Put glue on the rim of the cup and attach the cup to a piece of foam. Cut. To make the rim for the hole in front of the machine, you can draw a circle on a piece of foam. The circle must be slightly bigger than the circle on the machine. Then draw an inner circle and cut. And glue onto the machine. At this point, you can use the jar as is and put gumballs in it, or like me, you can go ahead and decorate it. I'll decorate mine using decorative tape as well as foam, but you can use stickers, plastic gems, or whatever you want. The machine works like this. When you place gumballs inside of the machine, the gumballs fall through the hole. Then, they fall through the cardboard circle inside of the machine. And finally, they come out through the hole. After making this project, there are several things that I want to point out. As you might have noticed on the video, I rarely use any measuring devices. That is because when I craft, I usually have a mental picture of what the end product will look like. Others might not work the same way. So there are a few things that I want to share with you. In order to draw perfect circles, you might use a quarter, or you might use 10 cents or 1 cent. And you can do the circles for both the top of the machine as well as the front. If you want, you can even use a ruler to measure the popsicle sticks that you will use on the machine. And you can even test every step of the way to make sure that your machine really works. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and keep on recycling. I will see you on the next video. Bye! How to make kawaii seashell inspired accessories. Hi guys! Today's project was inspired by two Japanese kawaii fashions. You might know them. One of them is Lolita and the other one is Fairy Kay. Let's get started. For the main item, I'll be using a mixture of seashells. To paint, I'll be using nail polish, and to decorate, I'll be using glitter, beads, bows, flowers, and also nail art. At home you can use whatever you want. I'll be making necklaces, rings, keychains, and hair clips. To make a basic decorated shell, take a clean shell and glue on a flat bead on one side. You can also use a flower or a pearl. Then, to even out the back, cut a piece of foam. You can use as many pieces of foam as you want and stack them one on top of each other until you get a flattened surface. Then, attach the hair clip. To make a painted seashell, take a clean seashell. Paint using your favorite nail polish, preferably a glitter nail polish. Let it dry and give it another 2 coats to completely cover the seashell. You can also use clear nail polish and add glitter in the gradient. Let it dry and remove the excess glitter. Then paint again using clear nail polish so that the glitter won't come loose. Decorate using your favorite beads, bows, flowers, or nail art. Now you can make more hair clips. Or use a ring base to make a ring. Or if you want, you can attach a bended paper clip to the back of the seashell and turn it into a necklace. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and keep on recycling. I will see you on the next video. Bye!